In this clip, we're going to talk about removing some necessary components in order to gain access to our valve cover. Now, this is going to be kind of in general because unless you're working on a 95 Ford Probe, some of these components will not be there. What I'm doing right now is taking the bolts out of this power steering pressure line. Take and set our bolts in our magnetic tray. That just loosens that up so we can slide the valve cover out from under it. We gotta pull out our spark plug wires. Disconnect our PCV valve and spin it out of the way. And we have one vacuum line back here that needs to come off. There we go. Like I said earlier, this is in general. You may or may not have to remove the same components. However, the idea is to get everything out of the way so you can pull the valve cover up and out very easily.